I've got to go to work. You'll be okay for a little bit when I go work. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Oh. Let's get the hand with the camera. He's not homeless, by the way. He lives next door. Oh no, what did you hear? Nothing in here for you. You wouldn't come in here a minute ago, you were scared. Now you're all nosy and brave. There you. Excuse me, mister. Chip, this way. Chip, excuse me. Where are you going? Somewhere Key wishes he could go, but he can't fit under there. You're going to be like Key, are you? And you're going to go rummage in the bin. There's nothing in the bin. Nothing good. You are just as nosy as him. What will happen if I stop stroking you? Oh, are you gonna go roaming, are you? Yeah? You're just gonna yell at me. Taking my cat to work day, this is. Not my cat though. Oh, you're just gonna sit here, are you? Okay. What? That was so loud. What's all that about? Oh wow. I wasn't even stopped. I'm still doing it. You're as needy as Key is. Alright, you gonna go home then? Yeah? No, you should go home. You go home. I'll go see what Key thinks of you being in his workshop. Yes, I will. Key, someone was in your workshop. Someone was being just as needy as you were. Can you smell him? What do you think of that? That's Chip. He was nosing around and going in all the places you wish you could go. Going underneath shelves. You're not impressed. You're not impressed. You're not impressed with the Chip smell. Chip being in your workshop. He was just as nosy as you were. Going round and round the garage. You wish you could go where he went. Underneath the shelves. You can't fit, but he could. He did. He went under the shelves. And underneath the kiln. He was sniffing in all the places you went. He went to the bin as well. Your bin. Yes, there was a meower in your workshop. He was. He was sniffing all around. Can you smell him? You smelled him before. He's growled at you before. Hasn't he? He's growled at you. He's only tiny though and you're massive. He was a bit scared of you, that's all. Because you're a big boy and he's tiny. Yeah. I'm going to go back to work and I'm going to see if he's out there still. But I'll be back in to see you again afterwards. Oh. What was that? Poor baby. Oh, I'm being shunned. I love you more. Promise. But he is cute. He's smelling the cat. Oh, so needy and loud. Come on then. You picked up speed, didn't you? I was not expecting a companion today. A supervisor, a tiny one. I was actually thinking I was going to get some work done today. No. That's what Key would say. Hey, you. Yeah, you. How am I supposed to work? You're even shorter than Key is. I've got to stretch even further. Oh, needy. Needy kitty. I'm just going to chill down then. Okay. Hi.